The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Problems Dealing with the Percentage. Example, 5.2 percentage of 176. Let us use the decimal process in finding out the 5.2 percentage of 176. Convert the percentage into a decimal. When you convert the whole number 5 into decimal version, it becomes 0.05. That means when you take 100 as 100 single units, 5 will represent 5 units. We already have 0.2 in the decimal portion of the number that may be added to the right of 5 and making it as 0.052. That is, 2 decimal digits are accounted for 5 and 1 decimal point is accounted for 0.2. Now 0.052 becomes the multiplier and 176 becomes the multiplicand. For the purpose of calculation, we can consider 52 as the multiplier and 176 as the multiplicand. As there are 3 decimal points in the multiplier, the result should have provision for 3 decimal digits. That means you have to put the decimal point between the 3rd and 4th digit of the result counted from the right. With this logic, let us set the multiplier 52 in the left extreme of the abacus and 176 should be set in the right side, as there are 2 digits in the multiplier, 3 in the multiplicand. We have to add 1 for abacus and set the number 1 from the 6th column and 7 in the 5th column and 6 in the 4th column. As we have to multiply the extremes of the number, here the multiplication of 6 should start with 5, which is the highest digit of the multiplier. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. That should be set to the right of the 6. That is 3 in the hundreds column and 0 in the tens column. Now 6 should be multiplied with 2. That becomes 12. That means 1 should be added in the tens column and 2 in the units column. Now the multiplication of 6 with 52 is over, and therefore we can clear 6 from the abacus. Next we have to multiply 7 with 52. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. We have to add 3 in the thousands column and 5 in the hundreds column. Now let us multiply 7 with 2, that is 14. That means we have to add 1 in the hundreds column and 4 in the tens column. That means we had 5 in the abacus in the tens column and clear 1 in the lower abacus. Let us clear 7 from the abacus. Finally, we have to multiply 1 with 52. That is 5 is treated as 0.5. That should be added in the 10,000s column and thousands column. That means the 0 is added in the 10,000s column and 5 in the thousands column. For adding 2 in the hundreds column, we have to add 1 in the thousands column and delete 8 in the hundreds column. Now that the multiplication is over, let us clear 1 from the abacus. Now the answer is 9,152. You have to apply the decimal point rule here. The 52 we used as the multiplier is part of 0.052, and therefore we have to earmark 3 digits in the result as the portion for the decimal digits. That means the decimal point should be counted from right of 9152, which will bring the decimal point between 9 and 1. Therefore, providing us the result 9.152. That means 5.2% of 176 is 9.152.